How to unpin someone on Snapchat. First, open up your Snapchat app. Once you're in, tap on the chat icon at the bottom of the screen. This is where all of your active chats with friends are listed. Now, if you've pinned someone before, they're likely showing up right at the top of your conversations list, even if you haven't chatted with them recently. That's the person we're going to unpin. Scroll through your chats and find the friend you've pinned to the top of your list. Once you've located them, the next step is super easy. Long press on their name. This will bring up a menu with different options related to that friend. From the list of options, look for Chat and Notification Settings. Depending on which version of Snapchat you're using, it might just say Chat Settings. Go ahead and tap on that. In the Settings menu, you'll see a few different choices, but what you're looking for is Unpin Conversation. Once you find it, tap on Unpin Conversation, and just like that, their chat will no longer be pinned to the top of your conversations list. If you found this video helpful, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more quick tutorials.